the real reason Rick burps while he talks. There's no secret Rick is an alcoholic. He's always got beer cans flying out of his flying saucer, but the real reason comes from a self-produced show, The Real Animated Adventures of Doc and Marty. At first glance, you might think that this is some early pilot version of Rick and Morty, but actually it's a parody of Back to the Future's Doc Brown and Marty McFly. While recording audio for the animation, Justin burped mid-sentence. He kept it because he thought it was just the right amount of gross and funny. Fun fact, each one of Rick's burps is an actual burp by Justin Roiland. So now you know